Welcome to Thayatal National Park, Austria's smallest national park at the border to Czech Republic. One of our main highlights in the national park is the European wildcat. So right now in the project of RECO, Restore to Connect, we are doing research on wildcats in the national park, and we are also restoring habitats for creating corridors for wildcats and other wild animals in the area. Our pilot actions create corridors across the landscape. Wildcat and different other species are enabled by those corridors to roam freely across healthy landscapes. The European wildcat was thought to be extinct in Austria for many years. About 20 years ago, some evidence of European wildcat in the Thayatal National Park was found. And in this project, we're using innovative methods for research on wildcats. So here you can see a lure stick that's attracting wildcat by a special scent. Behind us, you can see a wild camera that takes pictures of the wildcat, and the cats are leaving their hair behind that you can analyze afterwards. So in the RECO project, we analyzed different hair samples of wildcat, and we found out that one individual originated from another population near the Danube, which was quite a sensation for us. To get information on what's going on in the wilderness of the national park, we are checking the footage of the wild cameras regularly. Okay, so here we can see some snapshots of a wildcat. You can see the black tail. In the RECO project, we are also conducting an innovative pilot study. We released 2 wildcats with GPS collars, so we can learn more about their behavior in the wilderness. In our pilot region, we have a lot of dry meadows, which are scattered around in the landscape like stepping stone biotopes. They have been degrading in the last century, and we are trying to keep them open by mowing and grazing to keep them healthy and keep their function alive. One of our pilot actions in the RECO project was planting over 400 trees in a community action. By planting trees in a vasted landscape, we are creating corridors for animals and other species to roam freely around in the landscape. We planted suitable trees that are perfect for this habitat, and it will take a few years, but after a few years we will find a reforested habitat here.